It's coming toward us. It's shooting this airplane toward the sky. Woo! There you go. Where is this airplane going? Nice clouds. How's fast? Okay. There's another one right there. Oh, it's the same one like earlier, but it's going that way. Huh. It's way faster. Where is those? Where are they going? Okay, that's probably like the 10th plane that I'd seen today. Can't see them no more. Okay. Oh no, we have another one. Haha. There it is. Come on. What is this? What is this one? Looks it's like the same thing. No, I don't know. Oh, we'll see. It's coming this way. Oh my gosh, this is thin, very thin, man. It's flying so fast. Okay. Okay, non-stop. There's another one. It's the red one, but it's going that way. Oh, the bird. It's gonna be a non-stop airplane. We have another one right there. That's already like the 15th airplane already. Well, we're close to the airport, so that's why. Okay, that's it for now. Bye-bye.